Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's me, Dan, or DJ Slime, whatever you want to call me. DJ Slime, Dan, whatever. But I'll be reviewing, actually my first review, Sonic Boom plushes that you can buy. And here they are. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one I ordered. And it'll be here on Tuesday. I'll be right back. It's coming! So I guess. What? Who? You got the freaking Master Emerald! He's gliding. Hold A. Press it. Hold A. And do this. That was awesome. Okay. Sorry guys, I wanted to see what my sister wanted. So, I didn't have time to pause either, because she wanted me to freaking come. And nuggets. Okay, so. Okay, Google. Sonic plushes. Darn it. Stupid. What? Okay. Sonic Boom plush. What? What? Ah! Ah! Okay. I just want to look at images. Don't mind me. Okay. See me. This looks like my head. Sorry. So we got all the characters right here. This is the one I ordered. Was it? That's the one I ordered. Looks pretty cool. So you can go on eBay or something, or whatever, and you can buy Sonic Boom plushes. Or Sonic Boom action figures, Sonic Boom plushes, Sonic Boom. Oh yeah, and there's one with the chili dog as well. So perhaps you can make your own too. So there's random Sonic.exe if you guys can see it, but Mighty the Armadillo. Woohoo. Okay, so, anyways. There's new figures. There's Amy. There's plushies you can go on. So, that's all for today. And I'll see you guys all next time.